Imagine yourself in this Kia 2021 K5 LXS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 180 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.